let's start here. Wow. Pagpasok pa lang is really feel premium, by the way. Uptown Arts Residence is a newly designed condominium here in the heart of Uptown BGC. 12 units per floor. The exclusivity in its finest. And this one is a newly built tower. Tara, itutur ko kayo dito sa residence. Spanning of 58 square meters. This home has a 1 bath, 1 bedroom, and a living area that was so expansive. Dito, pwede natin tigyan ng like here, the sofa, the TV, and good, here's our view. Grabe talaga. And for that, this tower is brand new. That's what makes it really good for investment, like a newly home in our place. And itong condo right now, even it's just turnover September 2025, it's limited na lang din yung ating mga units. We have right now limited of studio, the 1 bed, 2 bed, exclusive 2 bed, exclusive 1 bed, and a 3 bedroom. Right now, pakita ko sa inyo, this, kita nyo naman, naka-smart home na rin yung ating mga switches. And here's the balcony na pwede nating, if we want to have a chill afternoon, kita natin dito yung ating Makati skyline. Wow! Grabe. Dito, pakita ko sa inyo yung ating kitchen area. Our kitchen area, kung makikita nyo, is really custom design. This is from Hacker. Yung cabinet natin dito is so close na rin talaga. Yeah. We have a lot of storage here. Tapos yung countertop natin, quartz na rin. Matibay and heat resistant. This one is really good. If you like to have, if you like to cook, this is the best. And we have also here induction cooktop. Di na mapapaso yung natin, kamay, and still cooking. Here we have 2 induction cooktop from Gorenhay, and also we have the range hood. Also here from Gorenhay Oraido. Tapos, meron din tayong provision here for our washer and dryer. And also here have a classic vintage refrigerator from the Gorenhay also. So this one, pinakita ko sa inyo, everything is on top of the line European brands. Grabe. So ganyan talaga mag-deliver si Megaworld. By the way, our developer here is the Megaworld. So whatever they in touch, whatever they build is really a pure magic. It's so good. It's perfect. Kasi while Megaworld is building also a township, kaya yung kailangan natin is within reach. And also, kita nyo to? Grabe. They put really this one to have like, pwede natin gawing shoe cabinet. You can also put a drawer. And also, lagyan lang din natin ng mga, pwede lagyan ng mga frameworks. Like pictures, also kung if you have trophies, pwede rin. Or pwede rin sa ating mga collections. So dito din, sa ating 1 bedroom, meron tayong kasama na rin split type inverter aircon. So talagang binibigay na lahat ni Megaworld. And here, let me show you the This bathroom has, here's one, the shower, the rain shower actually. Yes, complete na rin siya. We also have here the storage and the toilet. Meron na rin siyang bidet. And also the lavatory, and here meron din tayong drawer, and here's the mirror. Ito is from the Villeroy and Vogue. Talagang premium ang ating ibibigay sa unit na to. So this is the suite, down bedroom area. Ito, maganda dito, the flooring, iba sa ating living area. This one is a ceramic wooden plank. We also have a balcony for this one. Let me show you. Yan. This will be our view. Wow. Makati, BGC, and also the blue area, which is the pool. Wow. Kita nyo naman, the BGC is so lovely and also greenery. Grabe. Grabe talaga. I can't, it's really speechless when it comes in BGC. And here, nakita ko rin, meron na rin tayong sliding door with a mirror cabinets. Wow, amazing. This one also has a split type inverter aircon. So, talagang sobrang gift, mga gift ni Megaworld. Wow, I can say everything. It's talagang amazing. So, this is the tour. Wow. Thank you so much for coming on this tour of Uptown Arts Residence, and also listed on Megaworld's Real Estate New Development. If you want to know more and have your own condo here, just contact me. I'm Rafael. I hope to see you soon.